Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. This is Bob Dickinson of Innovyze, and we're going to discuss our new product called SWMMLive, which is an add-on to H2OMap SWM and InfoSWM that makes a exportable file for use in ICMLIve. The part of ICMLIve that we use is called SWMMLive, so we're going to show both components. So the first thing is, since it's an add-on, we go over here to our add-on manager, and we have all our various add-on extensions. For example, the calibrator, designer, driver flow allocator, and SWMMLive manager. This is inside of H2OMap SWM. So we go to run. We give it a name for the SWMMLive model. I'm going to call that 4 pumps. 1. And then we export it to a file for SWMMLive. We can also diagnose the model that we just ran, or just saved. Click on Run, and it actually runs the engine of H2OMap SWM or InfoSWM. Alright, so now we have our little model there. So this is the end of the H2OMap SWM or InfoSWM component. Now we come over to SWMMLive Configuration Manager. And let me close this window here. And what you do is you make a live group inside of SWMMLive. And we're going to make a new SWM network. Since we already have a few, it'll be added here. Now, just like in normal usage of ICM, you have a network. You come over here to Network, Import. We import a SWM text file. And we're going to get a file here. It'll be imported. We now zoom to the network. And now we have our SWM model inside of ICM. Now we validate it just like you do with ICM models. So everything is basically used the same as in ICM. You then commit changes, and then you can run the model. So we go over here to our SWM run. We bring in the network that we just validated and committed. We give it a start and finish time. You can also have this. The InfoSWM sim is the hot start file. So this is the basic run. So we go ahead and run this model on my computer. And since it's green, it ran. So click on Open As, and we'll look at our text. Everything looks good there. Open As, look at our report, just the upper part of the SWM model. And we'll open this whole file. So now we have that. So now we can look at any particular one. So if we wanted to look at for example, the pump here, we can now graph the results of the pump, and we can look at the flow or other variables. And this is our model. So you get the same answer. It's basically using the H2OMap SWM or InfoSWM engine inside of ICM or SWMMLive, and that engine is also based on the SWM5, and the current engine of SWM5 that we use is 5.1.007. So that's the basis of this. So come over here. We can also go to Properties, and you can see the properties for that conduit. We can do editing here. So for example, you can edit the model here. All right. So this is part 2 of the SWMMLive demo. You make it inside of H2OMap SWM or InfoSWM. Export it using the add-on manager, and then use it inside of SWMMLive. In the next part, we'll start using the time series databases and other features, for example, alerts and forecasting and hindcasting for our SWMMLive model. Thank you for listening, and we'll go on to part 2 of this instructional video.